Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Horizon. My name is Dave and today I'm gonna unbox, set up and test the Govee Dreamcolor H6127 multicolor LED strip. What sets the strip apart from other more conventional LED strips are the insane color customization options available that let you customize individual sections of the LED strip. In addition to that, the strip also reacts to music, but more on that later on. First and foremost, let's unbox this Govee LED strip. When opening up the box, you'll be greeted with the usual paperwork, including a little feedback form. Beneath the paperwork, you'll find the actual 5-meter long LED strip with 3M adhesive backing. These little microchips allow sections of the LED strip to be controlled individually. Below the strip you'll find the wall adapter, the control unit that allows you to turn the strip on and off, cycle through different colors, and enable music mode. In addition to that, you're also getting a couple of clips to reinforce the strip, as well as an alcohol preparation pack that is used to clean the surface you wish to apply the LED strip onto. The setup is fairly easy. Simply attach the control unit to the power adapter, plug it into an outlet, and clip the LED strip to the other end of the control unit. Now you'll have two different options. You can either control the Govee LED strip via this handy little control unit or by using the dedicated app. If you decide to use the app, you'll have to download it, open it up, and click on Add Light. Then type H6127, select it, and your LED strip should show up. Keep in mind that you'll have to have Bluetooth and location enabled on your device. To finish it off, I'm quickly going to go through all of the customization options available. Okay, I guess those were all the customization options currently available. But other than that, that'll be it for today. I hope I helped you out and you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see straight to the point tech related videos and tutorials just like this in the future, you're welcome to subscribe. See you in the next one.